Max Your Journey Tribe, RV community, you're here to fix your problem. I got you covered. The RV oven, the tricky RV oven doesn't work, or you don't know how to operate it just yet. But after this video, this very short video, you absolutely will have it mastered. Make sure you share this with a friend, and you're going to smash that subscribe button, please, as we make our way up in the ranks of the YouTube. So first things first, you want to make sure you actually have propane on. So both our tanks are open in the open position. And if you have a little gauge on front, right here, if ours was empty, it would show orange, but it's black. This tank is completely full to my right here. So we have gas here. So let's go confirm that inside. Tribe, so we know we have full propane. We have it turned on, but let's confirm it. Go over to your oven. Pick a burner, guys. If you don't know how to start the stove, you also can learn how to start your stove. Pick a burner. So I'm going to pick the middle one. I push in. I put it on high. I can hear my gas. This left one is my sparker. Turn to the right. Boom. We have fuel in this area. Now, I wish the oven was this easy. It's not at first, but it's about to be. So check it out. Cut the burner off. Open this up, and I'm going to walk you through it real quick. This dot is the back burner. This dot is your front burner. This is your other back burner. You might have a different configuration. This is your oven temperature, your oven gas starter. But this is the sparker, and you need this button and this button to make it come alive. But I'm going to sit you right here so you get a front row seat. We're going to be looking underneath here. Again, this is our oven gas and temperature control. This is our sparker. We want to go over to our oven button, push in for about 5 to 10 seconds. Push in and slightly turn to the propane symbol. It looks like a water drop. Push in, slightly turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's turn our sparker to the right. Let off of the gas. Turn it. And now we have our flame. That's what you see down there. The blue is the flame. I could turn it up, but you see it, you hear it. So what am I talking about right here? The temperature. When this is off, it's in this position. It says off, it will wear off as well. But this symbol next to it is your propane symbol. So that is what I'm pushing in, turn into it, holding it for 10 seconds. And then I'm hitting the sparker right here. I need 2 hands. Give me a sec. And this is so like kids and stuff won't just turn it on. You can't just accidentally hit it on. So you have to go to your oven one, push it in, go to the symbol, hit the sparker, let off of the oven one, and turn to your flame. That is how you operate a RV oven. This is a gray stone oven. These are very common in the newer campers, guys. Hopefully I helped you bake your cookies, warm up your pizza, and hopefully I warmed up your heart enough that you'll smash that subscribe button. But please hit the notification button, hit the thumbs up and like this video, and keep it short and simple. I love you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel, and get out there and start using that RV oven without any fear of, you got it. I trust you.